Wow, what a winter
Lands. Poof! What? Come on, Bubba. Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. That's some deep snow. Looks like there's tracks. Looks like somebody tried to drive out. Lots of snow on the roof. Snow on top of. Go play in the snow, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. Very powdery and dry. Come on, buddy, bud. Get in your yard. You can see it. Hey, Bubba, Bubba. But I bet we can go out for a drive. Serious snowfall. Can't see the roads. Serious snowfall. Can't see the roads. Can't even see where the road starts. And let's look at the ruts. Yep, I'm stuck. Jeez. Nope. I don't think I can get back in my driveway now. Had to turn the traction control off. All I smell is rubber burning. Come on. Ridiculous. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the driveway. That's so high. It's so high I can't even get out of my driveway. Holy smokes. That is so crazy. I know. I can't get the car back in the garage. Holy smokes. That is insane. I had to use the shovel just to shovel it down enough to get the car back in the garage. Wow.
There's a winter storm warning in effect until Thursday, February 18th, 12 p.m. The current weather is 15 degrees Fahrenheit with snow. Throughout the day you can expect more of the same, with a high of 22 degrees and a low of 15 degrees.
Well, we got some more snow last night and it's going to continue to snow. Got lots of snow on the roof. I've never seen such a thing before in my life. Well, at least not down here in Arkansas. I was able to get the Jeep out yesterday, so Jeep has no problem with it. My car, that's a no bueno thing. Backyard, back area, aquaponic system for fish. My heaters are not able to keep up with this being so cold out here. Had to cut off the grow bed, so it's frozen solid. I don't think I'll be doing any grilling anytime soon. Come on, boys. Go outside and go potty, buddy. Go outside and go potty, buddy. Oh, dogs. It's a lot of snow, huh? It's a lot of snow. Good dog. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. That just fell. Whoa. That's neat. That's neat. It's a lot of snow. Bub, get in your yard. Bub, get in your yard. Come here. Get in your yard. Whoa, getting snowed on. Our rose garden, our rose bushes froze. Look at all of that snow. That's a crazy amount of snow. Wow. Who would have thunk it, huh? Who would have thunk it? What do you think about all this, dog, huh? Holy smokes. Look at that icicle. Holy cow. That is so neat. It's like the biggest icicle I think I've ever seen. Good Samaritan? Is that a good Samaritan trying to help push the car forward? There he goes. That's a nice guy. Nice guys. A little rabbit. Come on, bud. This way, buddy, bud. This way, come on. Little rabbit boy. Buddy, bud, here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, that's deep. That's so deep, isn't it, buddy, bud? Bubba, bubba. Hubba, bubba, bubba. Come on, let's play in the snow, bubba, bubba. This way, come on, bubba, bubba. Come on, bubba, bubba. Come on, bubba, bubba. I know. It's a lot of work. There's ice. It's crazy. Look how much snow is out here. That's neat. It's like an eyeball. All right, come on. Go, go, go. Roog, roog, roog. Go, go, go. Look at you go. So the main roads are not bad. It's when you are trying to get to a side road. Yes, went up to 237. Parking lots are not plowed, but I think doable with a Jeep. Walmart parking lot is not plowed. It's pretty much just ice. Well, maybe some were plowed. You got one guy actually with a shovel. So dude, kudos to you, man. Thank you so much. Oh, cool beans. Not too surprising, but all the heaters are gone. And then I totally forgot about a cart. Ugh. Yeah, that sucks. What was I thinking? Guess I'm just gonna have to pull it. Yeah, that works a little bit better. A little bit. Ugh. Nothing. That's what I wish I had. A truck with a plow thing. That car is like totally jam-packed. They ain't going nowhere. Oh, this is good packing snow. This is good making snowman snow. Sure is. Wow, that's like all ice here. Careful. Ah, good. Looks like it's all melting. Yeah, it's been like a week since I've been able to drive because of the snowstorm. Looks like it's a lot better. We'll find out here in a moment when I get out into the driveway and see if I can go forward. Well, I can see pavement. As long as I can get out of our subdivision, I'll be all right. Pavement is clear and we can drive again. And of course it's in the 40s, 45 degrees. I think this week's supposed to be in the 60s. Gotta love it. A little bit of snow left in parking lots, but other than that, the snow is completely gone. 73 degrees today on Tuesday. Gotta love it.